This is Hörmann's SupraMatic garage door operator, designed to provide homeowners with an opening speed that's 50% faster than alternative operators and to offer quicker access from the street into your garage. It's located on a boom that incorporates a Kevlar drive belt and is suitable for most up and over retractable and sectional garage doors, providing stable and quiet door travel. Designed with a high-quality brushed aluminium cover, the SupraMatic operator has an elegant appearance. The SupraMatic comes with a 5-button and a 4-button hand transmitter, which can easily attach to your car keyring. For the utmost convenience, the 5-button hand transmitter can be used to check whether a garage door is closed at any time. Green shows that the door is closed, while red shows the door is open. Now, once the door's closed, the anti-lift hook automatically engages in the boom end stop, locking the door and securing it against forced entry. Now, as that's a purely mechanical process, you'll be protected even if there's a power failure. If there's a power failure, you need to pull the emergency release here so that you can open the door manually. When the power returns, you can reset it by pressing the green button and operating the door as normal. In addition to this, the SupraMatic operator can be used to adjust the garage door to a second opening height to allow homeowners to ventilate their garage without completely opening the door. And if this isn't enough, this operator can be fitted with a climate sensor that automatically activates the ventilation setting when preset humidity levels are reached. This light here, which turns on automatically when the door is being operated, can also be turned on independently using both a hand transmitter or a push button. This feature here allows you to set all of the operator functions by simply entering a 2-digit number. With the combination of quality, security and intelligent technology, this operator is the perfect fit for any garage door and will function as a reliable operator for years to come. Hörmann's entry-level ProMatic features the same proven Hörmann technology as all of its premium garage door operators. It's perfect for smaller and lighter doors, and the ProMatic offers much of the same basic functionality of the SupraMatic, including the boom mount, the anti-lift hook and the emergency release. It's also got the programmable light and the option of being adjusted to a second opening height for ventilation. In addition to this, the ProMatic comes with 2 4-button hand transmitters. The ProMatic can be powered from the mains, like the SupraMatic, but if your garage doesn't have a power supply, this operator also comes in a battery-powered model, the ProMatic Accu. And the Accu can also be connected to a solar panel. With simple installation, Hörmann's ProMatic operator guarantees reliable function at an attractive price. So, if you're automating a Hörmann garage door, we'd always recommend that a Hörmann operator, which also complies with current CE requirements, is fitted.